Hello students, I am Jnaneshwara TN, Assistant Professor of English. In the previous session, I had told you about Alfred Lord Tennyson. In this session, I am going to tell you about another Victorian poet, Robert Browning. Robert Browning was an English poet and playwright whose dramatic monologues put him high among the Victorian poets. In 1846, he married Elizabeth Barrett, the poetess, as her career attracted him. The marriage proved fruitful as Browning wrote greatest poems after the marriage. He was inspired by Shelley, which made him to dedicate himself to poetry. He is considered to be the most prominent poet after Tennyson. Now we shall know Browning's contribution to English poetry. Browning's genius was essentially dramatic, but due to his profound interest in depicting human mind and soul, he could not be a successful dramatist. So he attempted dramatic monologue with great success. Monologue means the character speaks out his inner being and mind to audience, which brings out mental state of the character. He was the champion of this form of poetry. His conversational and realistic style influenced the modern poets. He was a great artist and gifted with wonderful insight and sympathy. He excelled in the art of dramatic poetry, particularly dramatic monologue, which became popular poetic form in the Victorian age. His well-known works are Pauline, Paracelsus, Bells and Pomegranates, Men and Women, Dramatis Personae. In March 1833, Pauline, a fragment of a confession, was published anonymously. It is a long poem composed in homage to the poet Shelley and somewhat in his style. The poem is in the form of monologue, which suited his genius. The work contains all the peculiarities and powers of his genius. The confession reveals all his youthful ideals and his manner of training himself for the career of poet. Paracelsus is the most popular poem of Browning, which is in dramatic form. The two great principles of life, love and knowledge, are developed in this poem through the character of Paracelsus. He devoted to knowledge and ignored love. He fails in life, which proves that love is greater than knowledge. The poet expresses his philosophy of life beautifully. Bells and Pomegranates is a collection of dramatic and miscellaneous poems. Under this title, Browning published his 8 works in serial form. Men and Women is a collection of poems which was popular among readers. There are 50 poems. They are addressed to the poet's wife. The best dramatic monologues of Browning are found here. It shows the maturity and vigor of Browning as a poet. Dear students, let us recall what we have learnt in this session. Robert Browning was an English poet and playwright whose dramatic monologues put him high among the Victorian poets. In 1846, he married Elizabeth Barrett, the poetess. He was inspired by Shelley, which made him to dedicate himself to poetry. He is considered to be the most prominent poet after Tennyson. Pauline is a long poem composed in homage to the poet Shelley. The poem Paracelsus proves that love is greater than knowledge. Bells and Pomegranates is a collection of dramatic and miscellaneous poems. The best dramatic monologues of Browning are found in the collection Men and Women. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.